Yeah, part of our more administrative staff is quality control. And so your estimator and project manager are going to be the ones that quality control that job. And so they're going to walk through, they're the ones that you, the customer, have talked to the most. And they're going to be walking through that job on a daily basis, making sure everything's going according to plan, making sure if there's any questions that we can answer them. And if there's any obstacles that pop up, hey, we're human, stuff happens, things change, and so we'll come in there and they're able to fill those questions. And the difference and the reason why it's important to have those quality control agents that you're already familiar with is because they're the ones with the massive amount of experience. I think in our business alone, we've got over 65 years experience, real experience painting. That's not fluffed numbers, that's real. And so when you have that, there's not too many obstacles that we haven't come across before. So you have these agents coming by and they're going to already be there to talk to you, the customer, and discuss anything with you. But while they're there, they will be looking at the quality control, making sure everything's good. And to be honest with you, that's a big difference. We don't use that as bonus. We don't use that as doing a good job, being a great pat on the back. That should be our standard everywhere we go, but it is just that. It is our standard and it is consistent.